radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, these alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Alpine, Amador, Butte, Calaveras, Colusa, El Dorado, Glen, Lake, Nevada, Placer, Western Plumas, Sacramento, San Joaquin, Sierra, Solano, Stanislaus, Sutter, Tehama, Tuolumne, Yolo, and Yuba. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. We now return to our normal programming. The forecast for Central Siskiyou County. This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm device and is being run in conjunction with a routine weekly test of the emergency alert system. To repeat, this has been NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. These alerts will only be activated for selected warnings affecting the following counties: Butte, Glen, Western Plumas, Shasta. Weather conditions stipulation. To repeat, this has been a test of NOAA radio's warning device. This is only a test. All programming. Temperature 59. Northwinds 12 miles an hour. Elsewhere across the region at 11 a.m. At Chico, mostly sunny skies.
Let me go to here.
Northwest wind 13 miles an hour.
There.
Marysville, under sunny skies.
Can't forget about this station. And turn off. Alright, camera focus. Thank you. So 996 number 1. Got it. This one got it. 996 number 2 got it. 74210 went off. HH went off. WR300 went off. Aw, version 2 100 didn't go off. That's garbage. But damn. I think it's because I moved the antenna by mistake. Oof. Oh well. Maybe next week it'll go off.